Very good morning, students. Today, for class 9, we will start with the inequalities of triangles or triangle inequalities. That is given in the exercise 9.4. But before that, I'll make you understand some of the theorems. The theorems is very important to do the sums or to the solution of this exercise 9.4. Today, we'll start with the module 5, that is the triangle inequalities. What is written? Theorem 9.3 I've written over here. What is given? If two sides of a triangle are unequal, then the longer side has the greater angle opposite to it. That means what? See, in the given, suppose AC is greater than AB. AC is greater than AB, then we can say from this part that if this is the greater side, then opposite angle will be always equal. That means ABC is greater than ACB. Okay. When it is given that AC is greater than AB, that time only you can say that ABC. That means this side opposite angle is this angle, and this side opposite angle is this angle will be equal. Okay. Next, now we'll go for the same theorem, but the opposite. Opposite we call this one as the converse. That is called converse. Converse of this one. See, what is the converse of what is the given over here? See, from here, see, in theorem 9.4 I've written over here. Converse of theorem 9.3. See, if two angles of a triangle are unequal, now it is given what? Angle, and in the above it was given what? Side. Now it is given what? If two angles of a triangle are unequal, the greater angle has the longer side opposite to it. That means in both the sides, in both the angles, which will be the greater angle, that will be the opposite of that greater angle will be the greater side or longer side. See, over here the angle is given what? Angle Q is greater than angle R. If angle Q is greater than R, that means angle Q is greater, that means opposite side is what? PR. Written, see, PR written over here, and angle R is opposite what? PQ written over here. That means what? PR is greater than PQ. PR is greater than PQ. Okay. I hope both these theorems you have to learn and you have to understand also, and this converse also you have to learn also. Okay. Next we will do one question from the exercises. See, what is given over here? Exercise 9.47, you have taken AD bisects angle A and arrange AB, BD and DC in descending order. That means descending order means greater than. That means what? See, from here I can say that if it is given bisect, that means what? This angle and this will be also equal. Now we written what? In triangle ABC, I find out the value of angle A by the help of angle sum property, that is 80 degree K. Now BAD, if it is a bisector, if it is a bisector, that means what? This angle and this angle will be equal. So I have written what? BAD equals DS equals to half of angle A. That means what? 80, half of 80 is what? 40 degree. Now in triangle ABD, what we can write down? That ADC, this angle is the exterior angle for this triangle. Now from here, after this one, we have written a sum of two opposite interior angle equals to exterior angle. Then from here, ADC value is came what? 100 degree. The ADC value came what? 100 degree. Now similarly in ACD, if this is the exterior angle of this triangle ADC, then definitely this angle and this angle adding up will form this angle only. Then what is this triangle came what? 40 and this is 40, that is coming what? 80 degree. See, I have written over here. Similarly ACD, ADB equals 40 plus 40, that is 80 degree. Now what I have written, see, ADB 80, BAD 40, DAC 40, then ADB is greater than DAC. ADB is what? As because it is 80 degree. Now from here, it is greater than DAC equals to what? These are all 40 degree. Clear? Then from here I can say that ADB, this side will be the greater, as because it is having the greater angle. That means what? AB will be the greater. Now we come across to CD. See, both this angle also is coming what? ADC is coming what? 100 degree. Now you can say BC. From here we can write down CD also, and then BD. Then from here we can say that AB, comma DC, comma BD are in descending order of length. Okay, I hope you have understood this question. Okay, and next I've given some homework also. Try to do this one, or else I'll give the solution in the next class. Okay, till then, have a nice day. Goodbye.